Health is wealth. When you have good health, you have the ability to make money. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again. It is Dr. Singh's Amazing Healthcare YouTube channel, and we're here once again to talk about your health and everything in between. We're still on the topic of diabetes and how it can be managed. We've talked about so many things about diabetes, the kind of fruits you can eat, meaning of diabetes, the things you should do. So we'll be going into a different aspect of that particular ailment called diabetes. Dr. Singh is here once again, and we're going to be doing justice to that. Doctor, straight to what we have to say, we're going to talk about what are the complications or side effects of diabetes.
It's true that I saw in my life a lot of people, they are suffering for the diabetic. Those people, they are diabetic and so on. There are many side effects. Many side effects. If I can tell you one by one, number one, those people, they have diabetic, okay, they go for urination too much. Urination. Every time they cannot control the urination. They feel urination. That's what I mean. Frequently. Sometimes, anywhere. So number two, sometimes they feel very weakness, no power in the body. If they go anywhere, they are feeling sleepy, no power, nothing, anything, all body is paining them. Understand? That is the side effect of the diabetes. Number three, you can see sometimes they have some wounds on the body. Then they have some wounds. Those wounds they cannot heal because lot of sugar in the blood. So wounds cannot heal very fast. Number four, diabetic patient, they sleep too much. Sometimes they sleep on the body, every time, even they are sitting in the chair, even they are sitting anywhere, understand? They are feeling sleepy. They don't have power to walk and other things, understand what I mean? Number five, you can see the diabetic patient, they blur their eyes. They cannot see properly. Suddenly, they lost their vision. They lost their focus. Because of why? Because the very tiny veins in the eyes, the blood cannot enter. Blood cannot pass because of sugar blood. Blood carry the sugar, high sugar. So those veins, sometimes they block and they cannot see properly. And many times you can see those diabetic patients. Sometimes when they are reading, sometimes they are working in the office, suddenly they feel dizziness.
Yes.
Suddenly dizziness. Understand what I mean? And they fell down. Sometimes they can faint because they are thinking too much. I have massive wisdom. I saw some patient, they are coming to my center, diabetic patient. Can you believe they don't know what medicine they can take? They go to the doctor, any medicine they are telling them, anything they are giving them, they are taking that medicine. Sometimes medicine can cost more than diabetic. They give them more sign, bad sign in the body. I saw some patient, okay, the doctor, they told me that, I said, what happened to your this leg?
Yes.
Why they cut your, what happened this, they cut your half feet?
Yes.
They told me that, doctor told me I have my wound, understand what I mean, and cannot heal, and after doctor, they told me you need to cut this one. They cut the feet. And what is the next now? Now doctor told me, we need to cut your leg. I was so surprised. This is all the side effect of the sugar and the wrong medications. That one is giving problem to the diabetic patient. There are many complications. They are suffering, many diabetic patients, they are suffering. And the big problem is coming, sometimes kidney failure, sometimes heart failure, sometimes blockage in the body, sometimes you can see the black sign, black spot on the leg, on the body is coming over there.
Oftentimes, people take some of these symptoms as symptoms of, let's say, malaria or typhoid.
No malaria, because this one, when we have excess sugar in the blood, understand what I mean? That can affect anywhere. That is the cause of the excess sugar in the blood. This is the way, in the last chapter I told you, take those fruit, they can reduce the sugar level. Vegetable, I will tell you the other, many people, I saw some signs other thing, I saw some comments. People told me that please, what vegetable we can eat, what food we can eat. I'm reading everything. So we are making one by one, all the episode about the diabetic. You can subscribe our channel and read the everything what we are telling you, and you will be healed.
So basically, the doctor has been saying that. I think let me buttress a little bit on that. That some of these signs, some of these things, symptoms we tend to feel they are symptoms of malaria or typhoid. They are not it. Like you mentioned dizziness, and often that most people suffer from dizziness, and you might not know it is a sign of something sinister like diabetes. If you have a wound on your body which has refused to go over time, it might just be a sign of diabetes. So you have to go for a checkup to know if you're actually suffering from it. And black spots, most people they have it. Black spots on
black spot on their legs.
When you have that, run to a hospital, do a thorough checkup. So because when you discover a disease earlier, it is easier to actually take care of it. So that is what we will be discussing, and of course we just touch it. Today will be basically the complications of diabetes, those little signs you see in your body to tell you that there's fire on the mountain. You might be suffering from diabetes. We do not pray for it to happen to anyone, but if it happens, of course you can actually take care of some of these things. And do remember, Dr. Singh, he has natural remedies and certain products that can help you achieve good health. Doctor, thank you once again for coming. Do remember, like and of course subscribe to our channel. The address is also on your screen in case you want a physical visit. You want to have a one-on-one conversation with Dr. Kudip Singh all the way from India. We'll be back for the next episode. I am Wisdom MNK. Adios. Bye-bye.
Johnny the man, I have never seen you in this mood before. I thought you and your family were down with illness.
Yes, so my neighbor who talks a miracle not they happen. I say different kind of sickness won't finish me and my family. But thank God for Dr. Singh's medicine from India. All the sickness don't almost
Dr. Singh's medicine in Nigeria.
I tell you, Dr. Singh's amazing healthcare don't land for Nigeria with Indian natural medicine to take show sicknesses. Say medicine D and medicine still D. Then get medicine like body booster, heart booster, fibroid control medicine, kidney booster, energy booster, male libido booster, all in one body booster. Medicine for rheumatism. You never finish, them still get medicine for weight reduction for people who say they want to lose weight. What they call slim booster, anti-poison booster day too, and then still get long hair booster for women who want make their hair grow like all those fine women from India. But brother, they still get machine to take check and detect waiting they worry you for inside your body. The address is at number 34, second floor, Martina Chukuma Plaza, Owerri Road, Newi. Oya Tanana Dr. Sings for 070-6363-6814 or 0810-7272-966 or on this final number 070-6840-9944, or you can email them at singsamazinghealthcare@gmail.com or singsamazinghealthcare@yahoo.com. Dr. Singh's Amazing Healthcare Nigeria Limited, thank you for coming into Nigeria. Namaste.
I feel good.